This video is about Mondelo'S Nature Park. Hello, Disney Princess. And so they have entrance fee posted just right here. Mondelo'S Nature Park is a newly developed tourist attraction located in Sitio Balaring, Balakson Biliran, Leyte, featuring stunning views of Offshore Islands, Mount Panamao restaurant, etc. And it is also famous for Instagrammable photos. For those looking for extended stay, they offer rooms overnight cottages, one double bed with breakfast, hand and cold showers for 1 pesos, without breakfast 850 pesos. Eh, pwede tayo magpusing-pusing during the pita. Huwag di akong baby girl, kauban din ni ay. Okay, let's go ahead guys and discover more of Mondelo'S Nature Garden. Nasa may mga under construction din hing dapita ug unya magtaod sila og zipline. Na diba bongga kaayo ang Mondelo'S. Nasab sila pool din hing dapita, and good news kay nag-operate na ang ilahang swimming pool, so bongga kaayo. Na po yung mga baby boys din for their tactic entry. That island, they call it Marapipi Island. They have room options here. Standard room with breakfast, Wi-Fi, head and cold showers, aircon is 2,150 pesos. If without breakfast, 1,750 pesos. Peaceful kayo ang setting din hindapita, ideal para sa mga nature lovers and those seeking relaxation. Open pod sila 8 a.m. hangtod 7 p.m. daily.
A few moments later.
And guys, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Come and explore the enchanting view surrounding Mondelo'S Nature Park. Thanks for watching my video guys. Until next time, till next travel vlog. See you next time. Bye! Special shout out to Seloy and Henry Borges of Balakson, Narhati Hushan of Talisay Cebu, Mary Ann Borges, Rosalie Menk and family of Tufel, Kizzy and Isel. Thank you so much for your time shared with us guys. Until next time, God bless us all.